Okay, so this is your inferior vena cava, superior vena cava. Then the blood travels down into the right atrium, okay? And then it goes into the tricuspid. The tricuspid is always on your right side, so you know it's right. Then it travels down into your right ventricle, and it's pretty much, this is your ventricle and this is your ventricle. These are your papillary muscles, right? And these are the chordae tendineae, the little strings. And then the blood flows out from the right ventricle into the pulmonary semilunar valve. And you remember pulmonary semilunar valve because when it's going out, it's going into the lungs first, right?
Yes.
So pulmonary semilunar valve, and then it goes, then you should have your pulmonary trunk, but we don't need to know that. And then this is your pulmonary arteries,
Well,
right?
it's the pulmonary trunk that then splits into the arteries.
Because on the book F.
On the I know.
Oh, okay, so this is really your trunk.
The first bit is the trunk, and then it splits into the arteries.
Okay, so then this would be the trunk, but then it goes into your, so these are your pulmonary arteries, and then you have two on each side, right? And what it does, so as the blood's leaving the arteries, it's going into your lungs, right? So your lungs are over here on the side. When the blood goes right back in, because it's got to flow back into the left, it flows into the pulmonary veins, right? So from the pulmonary veins, it enters into the left atrium, okay? Then from the left atrium, it goes into the bicuspid, right? From the bicuspid, it goes into the left atrium, which is this. The left atrium, then the blood travels into, which is right under here, it travels into the aortic pulmonary, or semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve. And then from there, it comes out the aorta, and then the aorta, the blood goes into the body.